Dear Parrot, if you're gonna watch this, I have a valuable information for you. Add me on Discord. My username is Roxy the Lover Girl. So add me. I'll talk to you, your team, two of your friends. I'm with you, and we'll see how it goes. You wanna, if you wanna know a lot more, call me and see what, and I can see what I can do for you. Alright, so make sure to add me on Discord. I'll invite you to the group that I made for myself, and you are welcome to ask me about the Firelands. So if you're saying this, please contact me through Discord and stuff you do. So have a good day, man. I give you a bunch of valuable information, valuable info on what the Firelands and what is looking inside that. I know a bunch of info about the Firelands, man. Please contact me through Discord and I can see what I can do. Alright? Peace.